Good morning, Central Texas. Well, we're waking up to mild conditions, some cloudy skies, Brazos Valley, still a little bit of fog as well as the Goldthwait area, but that's going to be clearing over the next, say, hour or so. Meanwhile, the neighborhood temperature is pretty much in the 50s and 60s as we take a look around here. Out in Hill Country, we're at 57 at Hamilton, Goldthwait, checking in at 59 there. Again, a little bit of some fog in those areas. As we look along the I-35 corridor, we're sitting pretty in the 60s. Here in Waco, we're at 60 degrees, Temple 64, Hillsboro at 61, moving over now to Navasota, 59 in Corsicana, and we're at 60 degrees in Fairfield, Madisonville at 61. And as we move to the Brazos Valley, a little bit warmer, that's pretty typical, a little bit more humid, and we do have some light fog in some of the areas. But College Station at 63, Rockdale at 64, and we're at 63 at Anderson. Let's take a look now at the current dew points, and as you can see, 63 in Hearn, so kind of similar dew points to the actual temperature and some fog, not too much, but a little bit there in the Brazos Valley. San Saba checking in at the dew points of 57, and many of these areas pretty much in the upper 50s and low 60s, but a little bit drier to the west, a little bit more humid in the Brazos Valley. Let's take a look now at our future winds. So we know that today we've got the southerly flow coming in. That helps keep those warm conditions on tap for us. We aren't going to be as warm as we were yesterday or as warm as we're going to be tomorrow, but nonetheless, we've got some nice breezy conditions. Now, as we move into Tuesday, the winds kick up. Sustained winds 20 miles per hour, especially on the western side of I-35 versus the eastern side. It's going to be breezy everywhere, and then gusts up to 30 miles per hour tomorrow. So a big difference there with the winds coming in tomorrow. So above average temperatures all week, breezy with gusts up to 30 miles per hour Tuesday. Then the round-robin situation of rain comes in as we move into next week. So let's go ahead and take a look at the severe weather outlook. I just want to go ahead and pull this in, zoom this in so you can see. National Weather Service given a slight opportunity. If we do have severe weather, it would be high winds and hail. That's what we'd be looking at, sort of in the yellow area here, as you can see, the northwest area. As we look at the future track, checking out where the rain will come, we're looking at Wednesday again, mostly in the afternoon, and that's our opportunity for some severe weather, also the opportunity on Friday, but most of the rain is likely going to come on Saturday and Sunday, with Thursday and Friday sort of having intermittent opportunities for some drier air to come in. And as we look at the future track here, just checking out the European model, kind of the same situation. They're a little bit more in line. We'll know more, of course, as we get closer, but it looks like the most rain would probably come in this weekend.